Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install n8n locally in your PC. Okay, first thing first, download the Docker. You can show the downloading. This is a process in the previous video. The link in the description. Okay, let's open the Docker desktop. Okay, fine, it's opened. After that, let's go here to the search button and search for n8n. n8n. Okay, let's go to the second one. 100 million downloads. Press the full button, which takes some time to download. The downloading is beginning. For the tag, set the latest. Okay, fine. The downloading is finished. Okay, hit run. For optional setting, we have to type the port only 56878. Hit run. Okay, allow. Okay, editor is now accessible via localhost. This port. Visit. Okay, nice. The n8n is set up correctly. Now you can enter your email, first name, last name, and password. Now, what best describe your company? I don't have company, education. Write what you want. IT. Okay, data. Okay, get page feature for free forever. Enter your email address. You have to receive the license key. Send license key. Your license key is on the way. For this license key, it takes me the code received in my email. It takes 1 day, 2 day, an hour. I don't know what. After that, after getting the code in your email, you can add it right here. Go to this thing. Enter activation key, and you'll add your activation key right here. And the setup is finished. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this. And